I have got this question so many times. Loy, why don't you start a podcast? The number of times I might have heard this question. It's like people, they just don't want, YouTube is not enough. Loy, we want your podcast also. As it is, I'm struggling to run my YouTube channel, manage my clients, maintain my life. You want me to take another project? Have you ever thought about the fact that, when you take more things in your life, you can dedicate less time? I'll give a simple example. My wife, when we got married the first time, initially when we were trying for the baby, immediately she said, I want 5 babies. 5, huh? This is a true story, not fake. In fact, you'll see me joking with my wife sometimes. My wife wanted 5 babies. I told my wife, no problem. First, let's have 1 and you try. After she had 1 in the stomach, in the womb, when she gave birth, immediately after giving birth, I don't want another baby. Okay, that was 1. Then taking care of the baby, crying and changing the diaper and not sleeping. I don't want. And today, the amount of patience that she needs to manage our hyper baby that goes around, stands on things and puts fingers in the wrong areas and pulls things and make a mess. I always ask my wife, so how many babies you want? My wife laughs and says, no, one, please. Even this 1 is more than enough. See, it's not that we don't love our baby, but it's so much of a bloody headache to maintain it, man. The expense, the time, the effort. The same thing is with any business or any concept. Just because you see everybody, Joe Rogan sold for 110 million. Oh, fuck yeah. Logan Paul started. MKBHD, the YouTuber. Then Unbox Therapy started. Everybody started. Chal, even I will start. This is bloody sheep mentality, man. Just because, everyone's jumped into crypto. Now everyone's jumping into it. Oh, fuck, even I don't want to miss out on the action. No, you need to use your fucking brains and ask yourself, can I manage with what the fuck I have? See, and here's a simple, very simple, common sense question. How many podcasts do you listen to? Here's my question. How many podcasts do you listen to? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Okay, each podcast is 1 hour to 3 hours. How much time can you dedicate? And here's a bigger question for me to ask you. What the fuck do they talk in the podcast, man? They're just fucking talking like how I'm talking here. Gary Vaynerchuk will talk. Obama will talk. The superstar will talk. Joe Rogan will talk. Fighter will talk. Actress will talk. Everyone's talking. My question to you is, how does that talking help you? You'll say, Lloyd, it expands my horizon. Okay, then plug in the fucking the earphones. Whole day just listen to people talking only, no? What it'll do? It'll fill your head with ideas, but your life will not change. Here's my simple question to you. How much your bank balance has changed from the last fucking 1 year? Has your bank balance increased? Has your money increased? Has your savings increased? That has not increased. Oh, podcast, right? Podcast. See, whatever you do it with a sense of purpose and value. Don't fucking do it just for the stupidity. See, I know my limitations. If you're going to have a podcast, you need to have something that sets you apart. Joe Rogan was the first guy to start. And the beauty of what he started was, he brought in guests that really added value. He brought in very unique perspectives. Yes, it does expand your horizons, but it will not change a single fucking thing in your life. You'll get to hear one guy talk of vitamin D. Vitamin D, I'll take pills every day. Oh, he'll tell you about, okay, I get up 4 a.m. in the morning and have a shower in cold water. Oh, you'll get up 4 a.m. every day and have a shower. Oh shit, okay, the virus was from Wuhan, and if you breathe properly, you'll not get. You start breathing properly. Again, I come back to the basics. Has it improved your bank balance? End of the day, we are running like mad dogs like the rat race to earn money, right? See, how many courses are there? How many MP3s are there? How many self-improvement books are there? How many seminars are there? Conferences are there? Virtual learning, online learning, and now this podcast. How much do you need, man? And what the fuck is all this? When will you work? When will you work and when will you do something? See, for me, let's assume I start a podcast. Who the fuck is going to come on my show? You think Joe Rogan is going to come? You think Money Wave Weather is going to come? I want to interview such people. Bill Gates or Elon Musk. You think they are going to come on my piddly, as it is my YouTube, 40,000 subscribers, only 500 people watch. That also after pumping so much of content. I start a YouTube podcast and I stop focusing on this, and there I'll get 10 viewers. So what do? I go to Elon Musk. Can you come on my podcast? I have 10 listeners, 20 downloads. You know, when you start something, it takes years and years. You know, I remember one of my good friends, really good friends. This is a real true story. Good friends who I had used to always fucking give me advice when I came to Thailand. He's a very good friend. The guy literally used to chew my brains, start a business, Lois, start a business, start a restaurant, start a massage parlor, start a coffee shop and this and that. He's not a businessman, he's an employee. Okay. And he used to constantly chew my brains again and again. One fine day I told him, see, stop it, man. Just shut the fuck up. Okay? Just shut the fuck up. You can't run a fucking business yourself. What the fuck are you advising me? You're fucking irritating me. Just shut the fuck up, you know? What business? Who's going to have the fuckloads of money? How am I going to generate customers? Who has the money for advertising? How will I maintain the employees? What the fuck are you talking? And restaurant, there are hundreds of restaurants. Coffee shops, hundreds of coffee shops. You're saying do something. Why don't you fucking do? And well, that ruined the relationship. He stopped talking to me. We broke off. Never talked to each other ever again. And then guess what? The pandemic took place. Had I listened to his advice, I'd be bankrupt by now. See, listen. Anything that you do in life now, have a money mindset. Am I going to make money out of this? Whether it's a friendship, whether it's a podcast, whether it's a YouTube, whether it's a hobby. If you have enough and more money in the bank, do whatever the fuck you want. You don't have money to take care of you and your family if you're sick for 3 months or 6 months. Don't fucking dream. You know, there are so many idiots. They don't have any fucking savings. They don't even have a fucking job. Oh, entrepreneurship. Oh, podcasting. Oh, YouTube channel. Who's going to pay your fucking bills, man? See, there's enough and more garbage. There's an excess amount of information. Yes, I do listen to some podcasts, some here and there, because I have to constantly update myself with what is happening in the world. But I have to listen to Yahoo News, Reuters News, Al Jazeera, what's happening in the world, trending topics. I have to do script writing. I have to, take care of my clients. I have to focus on my projects. Then I have to prepare for, like today's video. I have to do all this. Then on top of that, my personal life, the exercise. Then I have my wife. Obviously, I have to spend some time with her. I have a baby. Then you tell me, where do I slot anything else, man? For everything you need investment. You need to have a setup. You need to have a studio. You need to have the tools for it. You need to have a marketing plan. You need to have viewers. You need to have so many things. Don't just fucking create. It's like talking from your ass. Start a podcast. Why don't you fucking start a podcast and see how well does it do? That's why when people make fun of me and my YouTube channel, hey, what the fuck, man? What the fuck? Find it. Yeah, I feel like son of a bitch. Why don't you start a fucking channel? I'll admire your balls. You know, hiding behind a fake fucking name and talking all big. Do it and show, no? Yeah, that much balls. Why are you hiding behind some fake name? Bruce Wayne. Oh, what? Alan, some Richardson or D'Souza or something, or all English names, Bruce, what? Something, Arthur Anderson, and why don't you put Ramu or Mohammad Irfan? Hiding behind a fake fucking name. One subscriber created the bloody account today just to comment shit. The reason why you hide is because you're a piece of shit. In real life, you're a zero. So online, by hiding, you can be a hero. So same way, when people give advice, you should do this. Why the fuck don't you do it, man, first? You do it and show. Don't fucking give advice and suggestions. There's enough and more fucking podcasts. There's so many fucking podcasts. Like I asked, how many podcasts do you listen to? How many? How many you are listening to? One? Only one? So then if you're listening to only one, what are you going to switch that off Joe Rogan and listen to Loy Rogan? And what the fuck am I going to do in the podcast? Talk like this? I'm anyway talking, no? Talk like this and what? I need to bring a guest. Which guest will come? Elon Musk, Sadhguru, Shah Rukh Khan, Joe Biden? Who will come? You will come? And if you come, who the fuck is going to listen to it? And what are we going to talk about? Oh, once upon a time, when I was young, this happened. Within a few years, this podcasting is going to saturate and die out. And only the top 1% will remain. We look at the top 1% and think, oh, I can be like Oprah. I can be like The Rock. I can be like Joe Rogan. Joe Rogan's pubic hair, that's what he will be. Maybe not even that. Podcast. Enough and more shit here. There are enough and more books. Enough and more MP3s, DVDs, CDs, YouTube content, seminars. Baba, we don't need more. We just don't need more. Fucking irritating. Nice. Anyway, this is what I wanted to share with you guys. Podcast. See, people sometimes, it's like the mother and father. When will you get married? When will you have children? When will you do this? And like people are, why don't you start a business, man? Why don't you do this, man? Free fucking advice. To the point of irritation. Why don't you do it and show me? And when you make millions, let me know. So I'll come and take advice from you. Anyway, this is what I wanted to share. Let me know your thoughts. Me sign off. You guys take care.